like everyone else that has a 3D printer, they can only print one print at a time.
I can only print one small model at a time.
As an experienced user of 3D printers, I've encountered a lot of shortcomings of traditional 3D printers during use.
You can only print models 30 centimeters long at a time.
Because of our love of 3D printing, we hope to use our own strength to help users of various groups create an unprecedented and more advanced product. Introducing Creality 3D Print Mill. This newly designed Core XY mechanical structure, combined with the 45-degree tilted print nozzle and the carbon fiber conveyor belt with unlimited Z-axis, makes it possible for many print jobs that traditional 3D printers can't achieve. Through the slow-moving high-strength conveyor belt, 3D Print Mill can achieve a continuous printing of batch models without manual management, improving your time and cost effectiveness. The infinite Z-axis design makes long strip printing that was unimaginable in the past possible and opens up countless possibilities for future model design. The mass production you can achieve with 3D Print Mill can further global public welfare undertakings. For example, production of low-cost microscopes with 3D printing technology can bring more possibilities for the popularization of medical and educational appliances in the third world. This is the Creality 3D Print Mill, an epic-making 3D printer born to transcend pain points using new technology to create a perfect 3D printing experience.
Really long print.
It's an awesome project.
More bigger prints than this to see what it's capable of.
Better than any other manufacturing company
This
on
the
the market.
best quality machine.
It's a community project in many ways.
This is the MP Mini Delta, the most affordable professional quality 3D printing solution to bring your ideas to life. It's already in production, so be one of the first to get the product. The MP Mini Delta is a transformative tool that allows anyone to delve into the world of 3D printing, a product that now allows you to create what you need on your own. Designed using knowledge and even parts from our successful line of 3D printers currently on the market, it includes advanced features unheard of below $500. It features a single body design that is ready to print out of the box. No assembly required. Simply load the filament, insert the included SD card, and press a button to start printing. Additionally, you can connect using Wi-Fi to send print files directly to the printer. One of the biggest hurdles for any 3D printer is maintaining a level print surface, which can lead to poor quality prints, adhesion problems, and clogs. The MP Mini Delta addresses all those with auto bed leveling for easy setup and printing. Our design uses an open filament, meaning you can use 1.75mm PLA or ABS filament from any brand. The removable heated build plate improves print quality and reliability with different filaments. And lastly, the all-metal aluminum construction increases durability and reliability while still maintaining its lightness. Whether it's printing a toy, a model, a replacement part, gadgets for your everyday life, or your own creation, this printer can do it all. You'll get professional quality prints at resolutions up to 100 microns. We're coming out with a game-changing product that will make 3D printing available for everyone.
Meet Glowforge, the 3D laser printer. Start with a design that you download or create. Choose from dozens of materials, even recycled cardboard. The laser cuts and engraves your design. It's precise to the width of a human hair, so it's easy to assemble remarkable things. Use your Mac, PC, or tablet to drag your design into place. Print from organic material like wood, leather, paper, cloth, even chocolate. Sometimes you don't want to design from scratch. Print from the Glowforge catalog. You can resize and personalize to make it perfect for you. Your design can be as simple as a photo. Your favorite apps like Photoshop and Illustrator can print directly to create physical objects. Glowforge cuts holes with such precision that you can lace up leather like a shoe. If you draw on material with an ordinary pen, dual cameras create a 3D image of your material and your drawing. Glowforge will engrave and cut directly over the ink. Then it's as easy to make a dozen copies as it is to make just one. Glowforge has autofocus that can follow curved surfaces like this MacBook. Cameras automatically identify what you put inside, so it's safe to personalize your laptop with designs from the catalog or your own photos and text. You can make a daily essential, a unique gift, a thriving business, or you can just make lunch. You don't have to be a clothing designer, an artist, or a pastry chef. You can build a mansion without being an architect. Glowforge is a tool that's easy enough and safe enough for anyone to use. Unlike this drone, with rubber band Gatling guns. We've been working hard to make something amazing for you. I'm Dan Shapiro, and this is Glowforge. Our team has built everything from cell phones to search engines, but this is something different. I have one in my home. I want you to have one too.